Hey guys, with this video today, I want to teach you how you can be able to set up the Union Frontier Online Banking. So this is the bank I am talking about, this particular one. How the site works, there's a video in the description of this particular video, and you can watch that video to know how the site works. So right now, I will teach you how you can be able to set it up in no time and charge your client a huge amount of money for this website. So you will have gotten your domain name and your hosting, and go to the file manager under public_html. You can upload your files there, or you can create a folder just like I did, and you click on upload. So you can select file now. Then I'll select the particular zip file. So don't worry yourself about how you will get the zip file. You can contact me for the zip file. So you should note that it's not free actually. So right now it's uploading. Still uploading. So once it shows green and it's at 100%, so you click on go back to, you reload, and you extract the zip file. So you extract the files now. Click on close. Go to the folder, then you select all, then you move into the folder you want the files to be. So right now I will view it now slash okay. Okay, so let's continue now. Let's continue with the setup. So the first thing you're going to do is you go into the account folder. You come into this index.php file, so you edit it. So you can see when I click on login, it's asking me for database, it's having database error. So what we'll do now is to set up our database. So go to your cPanel and then search on database. You see MySQL database wizard. So click on it. I'll click on it now. Still loading. So I'll create a database and say I'll call it UnionDB. So next step. So open Notepad. Copy this database. Let me say database named. Put it there, and then say Union. Create a username. I will generate password. Copy it. Now we use password. So I'll go back to my Notepad and say password. Then I will create user. Now click on all privileges, then I'll make changes. Then don't forget to copy the username. I'll say username. So I'll go back to the home page of my cPanel now. I will search on phpMyAdmin. I'll click on it. So while the phpMyAdmin is loading, go back to your files. Then open the account folder. Go to include folder. Then go to config.php. Then you edit. So now I will use the database details which I created. So this is the database name. I'll copy. Put in database name. This is the user. I'll copy to. I'll put in the user. So you have to make sure you're not making any mistakes, otherwise it won't work. So I'll copy the password to put it here. So right now you put the name of the your site name here. So this link now, I'll copy my site link now. I'll copy my site link and I will remove it. So the account name should be left like that, and then there should be no nd/2. So then you will save. So go out of this folder now. You see the database folder, which contains the database, so the SQL file. So you download it, and when it's done downloading, go back to your PHP admin. Then look for the particular database you create. So if your cPanel is new, you will only have that particular database there. So mine, I actually use mine for a lot of things. So I'll go to UnionDB and I will import. I'll click on import. So I'll browse now, and the database which I selected just now is this one. So I will open. I'll click on go. So it's importing now. Still importing. My network connection is really slow. So it just finished importing now. So I'll click on structure. So you can see now. So now what we are going to do, we set up the email. So go back to the accounts folder, go to the include folder, edit user class.php. So this is where you set up your, scroll down, this is where you set up your database. So that's where you set up your email. So go to email accounts. You create a new email. So I'll just use this one which I've created before. This one is actually so you put in the host is actually your domain name and the extension, like for example on this one.com. So I'm going to use caramel.com. So the username is the email address, then the password is actually put in the password. So when you're doing yours, you don't have to type. So when you create your email, so you put it in Notepad, then you copy and put it back. So the set from is actually the username. The add to reply is the username, and you put in your bank name there, then you will save. So that's not all. You will go back again to the admin folder, include folder, then you see admin class.php. So you edit it, so you fill in these details too, then choose save. So let's go back to our site now and see what we are doing. So now I will reload. You can see right now the database error is gone. So now what I'll do is I will see if the login is working now. So in database file, there are two accounts there already, so I'll try to use one of them. The account number is 12345678990. Password is 1234566. So I'll log in. I'll login me in. So it's asking for PIN. So it's actually working. Now you can see I'm logged into the dashboard, so which means all what you did is actually correct. So I'll copy this URL to open the admin. So to open the admin, it's actually your domain name / account. So right now, no, mine is inside the folder, so I'll use the folder name. So account /admin. So to get the admin details, just come to the MySQL, go to admin here. This is the admin email, copy it. So you see this password right now, the admin password is gibberish. It won't. So if you copy this password like this, it won't work. So you come to edit. The password is actually encrypted. So put in the password which you want to use. No, I'll use 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that's the password I want to use now. You put it in. Now you come to use this on this list. You look for encrypt. So encrypt and put go. And click on go. Right now I'll put in 1 2 3 4 5 6. See right now is working. As you can see, it's working. So this is how you can set up this kind of online banking website. If you need for any further assistance, you can reach me out on any of my contact details, which is under the video description. So thank you very much for watching.